Hi, this is Ken Lau. Today I want to share with you how to use divide in Excel. So, it is basically that I have a product called Sharkly Sustain Release Vitamin C. The member price is 78 in terms of RM. So it's right here. Just put there RM. Yep, it's easier. If you cannot see this, what you can do is that between this A and B, there's a tiny line. Just move over here and double click. Oh, that's much too much. But you can also drag this over here. So the number of tablets in this Sharkly Sustain Release Vitamin C is 180 pieces. So how much per tablet is? We can use the equal, click on this one and put divide. Now you notice that when you have this member price and you want to divide by this number of tablets, you can't click on it. So what you do? You can type B and locate this is column B and it's row 5. So we just put there row 5 and enter. Yes, you get 0.43. This is again right per tablet. It's RM 0.43. And that's about it. This is today's quick tips on how to use divide. It's an Excel basic skill. And thanks for watching.